friends, welcome back to Wendy's World. So in this day and age, unfortunately, we have to cut our own hair or we just look like a ragamuffin. So I'm going to show you how I cut my own hair. So I'm going to grab a comb and I will section my hair off in 6 different sections. So I need 6 tiny little elastic bands. And so I'm just grabbing the 6th one. And so my hair is just freshly washed and I'm going to comb out the natural wave that I have to my hair and try to straighten it out. Believe it or not, I use a regular scissors. Now the reason why is I ordered professional scissors, but unfortunately they never came. So I decided to give up on that and I'm just going to use my own scissors. Section off my hair in 6 different ways. So from the crown, that is your point of reference. From the crown, make sure you find the precise, oh, actually that's not precise, where you exactly usually part your hair. So some people like to part their hair in the center and cut from there, but this is the way I usually do wear my hair and I feel it makes more sense that way. So comb it nicely. And so what I'm looking for is a little bit off because I need to freshen up my look, and that therefore it'll push up my curls and make my hair a little fluffier and fuller. So the sections are going to be going from the crown. This is the back section, and then if you look on your side, you section it off from here in the middle, right here. And then you'll take that section and you will tie it off to the length that you are looking for. So just above that length, because you're going to cut. I'm not going to make it precise right now. I'm just going to tie it off. And then I will make it more precise and line them all up. Tying it off, make sure you're tying it straight. So no bend. Tie it off straight. Right. So basically you're coming right behind the ear here. And then you're sectioning it off right in the middle. There you go. Take that section and tie it off. Okay, so then I'm going to take these sections and I'm going to also make sure that they match. So you can see obviously they don't match. So I'm going to pull it, pull it, pull it. I feel like this section is a little bit too thin. So I'm going to redo. I also have another video about deep conditioning your hair, so you can check that out too. I'm a wealth of information for you guys, eh? Okay, so take the piece and there you go. Tie that off. Okay, so just give me a sec. I'm going to check this all out. I want to make sure it's all aligned the way I want it to be. Okay. Right. Okay. So that's how you make sure it's all straight. So you can see here, it's really different in length, and you don't want that. You want them to be the same. Okay. All right. Same as in the back. This is where it gets really tricky. If you have someone that you're living with, they can help you with this. Actually, it's pretty aligned. And make sure that everything is straight. I'm going to check that out. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's hard to see. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it is actually straight. Okay, so make sure. All right. There. Actually, that's good. Okay. Then I'm going to take my scissors. Woo! Okay. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna cut. So for me, I don't want it too long, my hair too long. So what I'm gonna do is, actually I'm sorry, I don't want it too short, I mean. So I'm gonna check all my elastic bands again. This one seems a little, not big skin, because I pulled at it. I want to make sure I'm doing it right. You get a little nervous when you're actually taping, and it is kind of scary to cut your own hair. But you know what? It'll grow back again. I mean, we're not exactly going to the office right now, right? So, it's perfectly fine. If you make a mistake, no one's really gonna know. Okay, so there we go. Then you gotta just check, make sure. Okay, so you're gonna take it, and in my case, I am just going to cut a little right here, right below. There you go. See? I'm gonna cut. Cut. Now I'm gonna take my ends and I'm gonna cut into them because I don't want it to be a straight, jagged end. So I'm gonna cut into it. No straight, jagged end. Okay, I'm gonna take the other one. Same thing. Take it. And I'm gonna cut. And then I'm going to, oh, it's so hard to see. Okay. So hard to see. There you go. Cut into it. Cut just below. Cut straight below. Then I'm going to take it and I'm going to cut into my pieces so it's not so straight across. Same thing with this. Just going to cut pretty good. Now I can see, you can see, not too even, so give it a cut. Soften up the edges. Okay. Okay, I think we're good. Take out your elastics and voila, you have cut your own hair. Now, I like a little bit of bang, so I'm going to take my bangs and I'm going to make them angle it. And let's see, I like my bang. And go a little to the side. There you go. Then I need layers, which will pull up my hair and make it look fuller. So what I do is I take just a little here and there, not too much. Take sections of it. So I'll do this and just pull it up. Okay, and then I take it and I don't cut straight across. I don't do that. Sorry, it's hard to see. I just cut into it. Actually, cut a little bit and just cut into it and give myself a little layering. Take a little bit more. So I take it like this, take little pieces like this, and then I pull it up, and then cut into it. I'll do it on the side, just a little bit. Like that. Take it up. And then I'll cut into it. Like such. Just like that. So you can see a little bit of layering. Then I'm going to take over here and I'm going to give it a little layer on the side, my face. To freshen it up a little. Same as on this side here. And just shorten it a little bit here. I do it on an angle. See if they match. Make sure they're matching. Well, that's good. Okay, so I'm gonna style my hair and I'll come right back. There you have it. Look how gorgeous and full my hair is now. With the layers, I created this beautiful fullness. Is it perfect? Probably not, but it's the best that I could do. I think one of the problems with the pandemic and how we're feeling is that we've lost some control. Well, I've taken back some of that control and I have cut my own hair, I color my own hair, and this is what I get. It's beautiful. So thank you so much for joining me on Wendy's World, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time on my next tutorial. Bye for now.